Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style cottage decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style cottage decor is a cozy home decor style that combines the charm of old-fashioned vintage items with the warm, simple feeling of a countryside cottage. It focuses on soft colors, antique pieces, natural textures, and a comfortable lived-in atmosphere that feels peaceful and nostalgic. The main idea, vintage cottage decor, is about creating a home that feels warm, romantic, and slightly nostalgic. Instead of modern shiny furniture, it uses aged, handmade, or antique-looking items that tell a story. Uses soft and gentle color palettes. This style usually uses soft, calming colors such as cream or off-white, soft pastel pinks, or light shades green, powder blue, or warm beige. These colors help make the home feel light, airy, and relaxing. Vintage furniture. Furniture often looks slightly aged or distressed. Common features include whitewashed wooden tables, antique cabinets, vintage dressers, wooden rocking chairs. Furniture is usually simple, cozy, and peaceful, like what you might find in an old countryside cottage. Uses floral and soft textiles. Fabric plays an important role. Popular choices include floral curtains, lace tablecloths, crochet cushion covers, quilts, and patchwork blankets. These textiles add softness and romantic charm to the room. Decorative vintage accessories. Small decorative items create the vintage atmosphere, such as old picture frames, ceramic pictures, vintage clocks, wicker baskets, glass jars. These details make the space feel personal and nostalgic. Natural and handmade touches. Vintage cottage decor often includes fresh flowers or dried flowers, wooden shelves, handmade crafts, crocheted or knitted items. Natural elements help bring the outdoors countryside feeling inside. Cozy and lived-in feeling. Unlike modern minimalist decor, vintage cottage style is not perfect or polished. It should feel comfortable, welcoming, slightly rustic, and full of character. Vintage style cottage decor is more than just decorating with old items. It is a design style that creates a warm, nostalgic, peaceful home inspired by countryside cottages from the past. It blends vintage charm, natural beauty, and cozy comfort to make a space feel timeless and welcoming. Here are some deeper aspects of this decor style. A sense of history and story. One special things about vintage cottage decor is that many items look like they have a story or history. Examples include old wooden trunks, antique mirrors, vintage tea sets, weathered picture frames. These pieces give the home a feeling that it has memories and personality, not just decoration. Uses soft and natural materials. Vintage cottage interiors often use natural materials that makes the home feel firm and organic. Common materials include natural wood, linen fabrics, cotton textiles, wicker or rattan baskets, ceramic and porcelain pitches. These materials help create a simple countryside atmosphere. Romantic and feminine touch. Many vintage cottage spaces have a soft, romantic feeling. This can be created with floral patterns, lace curtains, embroidered pillows, soft pastel colors. The result is a home that feels gentle, charming, and peaceful. Mix of old and handmade. Vintage cottage decor often combines antique items with handmade crafts. For examples, crochet table runners, knitted blankets, handmade pottery, DIY wooden tour. Handmade items add warmth and personal character to the home. Light and airy spaces. Even though vintage decor uses old items, the rooms usually feel bright and fresh. This is done by using light wall colors, large windows, shade curtains, white or cream furniture. The goal is to make the home feel calm, airy, and comfortable. Nature-inspired decoration. Nature is an important part of cottage style. Popular natural decorations include fresh flower in jars, dried lavender or herbs, wooden bowls, stone or clay pots. These elements bring a garden-like feeling indoors. Cozy and relaxed lifestyle. Vintage cottage decor reflects the solo and cozy lifestyle. The home is designed to feel like a place where people can relax, read, cook, and enjoy simple living. It focuses on comfort over perfection, warm atmosphere, personal touches. Vintage style cottage decor is a decorating style that combines the timeless beauty of vintage items with the cozy simplicity of cottage living. It creates a home that feels warm, nostalgic, peaceful, and full of character, like a charming countryside cottage from another era. Nostalgic atmosphere. One of the most important qualities of vintage cottage decor is the feeling of nostalgia. The space often reminds people of old countryside homes, family traditions, and simpler times. Decor items that create this feeling include antique wall clocks, old books, vintage photo frames, classic porcelain dishes. These elements help create a home that feels meaningful and timeless. Layered decoration. Vintage cottage spaces usually have layered decor. Instead of a simple modern look, different textures and objects are combined. Examples of layering: lace tablecloth over a wooden table, quilted blankets on a sofa, decorative pillows with soft patterns. This layering makes the room feel rich, cozy, and inviting. Voided and distressed finishes. Many features in vintage cottage decor have a slightly worn or distressed look. Examples include distressed wooden cabinets, chipped paint on vintage chairs, aged metal lintels. These imperfections add authentic charm and rustic beauty. Cottage-inspired furniture shape. Furniture in this style is usually simple, comfortable, and slightly traditional. Common furniture style include wooden farmhouse table, curved back chairs, vintage dressers, open shelving units. The furniture often looks handcrafted or classic rather than modern. Decorative kitchen displays. In many vintage cottages, the kitchen itself becomes a decorative space. Typical displays include open shelves with ceramic plates, glass jars filled with grains or spices, vintage teapots and mugs, wooden cutting boards. This creates a functional but beautiful kitchen environment. Soft lighting. Lighting plays an important role in creating the cozy cottage mood. Popular lighting choices include table lamps with fabric shades, vintage candlelights, lantern-style lights, candles or candle holders. Soft lighting helps make the home feel warm and relaxing. Seasonal cottage decor. Vintage cottage homes often change decor with the seasons. Examples: fresh flowers and pastel fabrics for spring. For summer, use light linen curtains and garden flowers. For autumn, use charred leaves, pumpkins, and warm colors. For winter, use knitted blankets and candles. Seasonal decoration keeps the home fresh and connected to nature. Personal and collected look. Vintage cottage decor often feels like a collected gather over time rather than bought all at once. People often decorate with flower market finds, antique shop treasures, handmade crafts, family heirlooms. This makes each home feel unique and personal. Vintage style cottage decor is a home style that blends old world charm, countryside simplicity, and soft romantic beauty. It creates a space that feels peaceful, nostalgic, and naturally cozy, as if the home has been lovingly decorated over many years. Here are more detailed ideas and characteristics of the decor style. Time-worn beauty. Vintage cottage decor celebrates aged beauty instead of perfection. Furniture and decor often look slightly old, faded, or weathered. Examples include filled floral fabrics, distressed wooden furniture, antique metal sandals, slightly tipped painted cabinets. These details give the home authentic character and warmth. Cottage garden influence. Many vintage cottage interiors are inspired by traditional cottage gardens. You might see floral wallpaper, botanical prints on the walls, flower arrangements in clusters, chard herbs hanging in the kitchen. This connection with nature makes the home feel fresh and lively. Comfortable and lived-in spaces. Vintage cottage homes are made to feel comfortable rather than formal. Typical features include soft sofas with throw blankets, wooden counters with cozy chairs, wooden tables with simple decorations, open shelves filled with everyday items. The goal is to create a home that feels warm, welcoming, and relaxing. Vintage patterns and prints. Patterns are a big part of the vintage cottage style. The most popular ones include floral prints, gingham checks, tall patterns, small delicate prints. These patterns add soft charm and a classic countryside feeling. Antique and smart wall decor. Walls are often decorated with vintage style pieces, such as old landscape paintings, framed botanical illustrations, vintage mirrors with curved frames, wooden wall shelves. These elements help create the chic cottage atmosphere. Simple cottage storage. Storage in vintage cottage homes is both practical and decorative. Examples include wicker baskets for blankets, wooden crates for books, glass jars for kitchen storage, vintage cabinets for dishes. Storage spaces often become part of the decor itself. Soft and natural floor design. Flooring also contributes to the cottage feeling. Popular choices are natural wood floors, open rugs, vintage pattern rugs, soft neutral carpets. These materials make the home feel warm and grounded. Emotional feeling of the style. One of the most special things about vintage cottage decor is emotional atmosphere. It often feels calm and peaceful, romantic and nostalgic, warm and comforting, connected to nature. This is why many people love this style. It creates a home that feels like a gentle escape from busy modern life. Vintage style cottage decor is a decorating approach that blends old-fashioned charm, countryside comfort, and soft romantic aesthetics. It creates a home that feels peaceful, welcoming, and full of history. as if the space has slowly evolved over many years. A true vintage cottage home really looks newly decorated. Instead, it feels like the decor has been collected gradually from different times and places. This may include flower market treasures, antique shop finds, family heirlooms, handmade crafts. This layered collection makes the home feel authentic and personal. A lifestyle of simplicity. Vintage cottage decor is not only about decoration, it is also to reflect a simple and mindful lifestyle. In silver ages, flower living, handmade crafts, natural beauty, comfort, and warmth. The goal is to create a home that feels calm, meaningful, and emotionally comforting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.